Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a professional quotation in Zoho Books. Creating accurate and detailed quotes not only streamlines your sales process, but also boosts customer confidence. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, log into your Zoho Books account. This is your main hub for managing all your business's financial transactions. Once you're logged in, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Sales. This section stores all your sales-related data, including customers, invoices, and quotes. Next, click on the Quotes option. Here you can create, manage, and review all your sales quotations. To make a new one, select Create New Quote. This will open a page where you can input all the necessary details for your quotation. Start with the Customer section, choose an existing customer from your database, or add a new one if necessary. Associating each quote with the correct contact will save you time later. You'll notice a quote number is automatically generated, but you can also enter a custom one if you prefer. There's also a field for a reference number, which is perfect for internal tracking. Check the quote date and adjust it if needed. You can also set an expiration date to create a sense of urgency for your customer. If a salesperson is handling this quote, assign it to them from the drop-down menu. You can also link the quote to a specific project to keep track of project-specific revenues and expenses. Now add item details. Enter each product or service, including descriptions, quantities, and prices. Zoho allows you to add multiple lines so you can include a comprehensive list if needed. Once all details are entered, review them carefully to ensure accuracy. Finally, decide how to save your quote. You can select Save as Draft to revisit it later, or Save and Send to deliver it directly to your customer. This ensures your quotation process is efficient and professional. And that's it. You've successfully created a quote in Zoho Books, helping your business run smoother while providing clear and timely information to your customers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more easy step-by-step Zoho tips.